Oha. Ndubayo mekwalo. Because security, igwe baya ala so anyi wakuo. Because ashiye lile no na front wa.
Okay, it's all right. Because allow that young man here with free hand. Chalelo kare free ponu manado na kundo.
Biko ulule anya chonye ge mude mmadu outside the ring. Oye jila microphone na issue. Oh mekwa.
Right.
Oh mekwa. Okoro dalibi hawlono. Ulu no ba koko. Le ba le ti go pa kota. They really mutu mane. After the ti.
So we see.
5 minutes and no time. Biko me lo ga tro.
He's here.
Ele ga baba so ni. Baba su gala na mere mo. Una na ga mere mo. Aya oha anya da ipe na aka mere na eme 5 minutes ka ihe gudu oge na agapa jowo nwe mba na etuwa le nwe ko oge josuwa nwe mi ike Get back to the ring, let's say the
winning team.
Get the biggest one to one, the
winning team.
We are going back to the Ayabina Hopa. Hey, not the Daruala. How you to be out?
A
West now leader. Only with the man who are in the shop. How to be out?
Cannot get the sequel.
All the Papa. Get me no have no hate you. Oh, I go to time. Oha. Okay, see me.